We're on the way to pick up the RV!
So we recently finished renovating my family's old RV. It is a 2006 Winnebago Adventurer 38T.
It took us around a month to do the actual renovation, but unfortunately she gave us some trouble, so she sat at the shop for a while, but we finally have it back. So everyone, meet Minthe! Thank you for watching. We will post another video talking about the process of the renovation and also a cost breakdown as well.
And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to tag along on our coast-to-coast journey with Minthe, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. Bye!